Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zshakira. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to be doing a little bit more of a dramatic look for second weekend of Coachella. If you guys did not watch my last video, I did a look for Coachella week 1 and that one was a little bit more simple. So this week I definitely wanted to give you guys a little bit more. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can get the notifications. You'll be the first one to know whenever I upload. Don't you want to see these bomb looks? If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alrighty, to get this look started, I am going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills and pretty much do my regular thing. Alrighty, now that my eyebrows are all done, they're all cleaned up, I'm going to take my PLouise base and I'm just going to base my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into the James Charles palette and I'm going to go into this one right here. This one is called 10% Off. And basically, I'm just going to stamp this in and I just want to start stamping out that crease area and getting the shape that I like. Next, I'm going to dip back into the palette and I'm going to go into this color right here. This is called You're Kidding. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to buff that on the outside of what we already have. Now the next color I'm going to go into in the palette is 518 and I'm going to dip into that and I'm going to put that now on the outside of the last color that we just did. Okay, now the last color that we're going to go in with is B. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to go on the outside of the last color we just did. Alrighty, I have all the colors on there that I want. I have it looking like a nice beautiful sunset. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. Alrighty, next for the crease, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to go into B, and I want to put this now right in the center of the crease that we just cut. I want to also now kind of create like a inversion of everything that's already happening on the eye, so I'm just going to try and do that. Alright, now we're going to go back into the palette. We're going to go into You're Kidding, and we're going to put this now on the outer corners of the eye. Whenever you're doing like a cut crease and the looks that are like a little bit more stronger, I highly suggest just taking your time. Like, I think it's all about the blend when you're doing these really, really bright colors. I'm patting the shadow in first, and then as I'm patting it in, I'm blending that into the yellow color. Alrighty, now that the eyeshadows are exactly where I want them, everything's looking good, I'm going to move on and I'm going to do the face. I'm going to do my contour, I'm going to do my foundation, I'm going to get all that together, and then I want to add some other different colors underneath the eyes. Already I have set my face, I have done all of my contouring and my concealing, and now I'm just going to put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes because I do want to add some color underneath, and just in case if there's fallout, I don't want anything messing up my face. I'm going to take my Morphe M508 brush, and I'm going to go into this beautiful color right here. This is called Brother, and I'm going to start putting that on the outside underneath my eyes and start working my way in. Next, I'm going to go into this color right here. This is called Escape, this beautiful purple. I'm going to put this underneath Brother, and I'm just going to start blending that out. And then I'm going to take one last color. I'm going to go in with this color right here, Skip, this beautiful, beautiful pink color, and I'm going to put that underneath Escape. Alrighty, now I'm just going to wipe away the loose powder and any fallout that has come along with our under eye shadow. Next, I'm going to take my Khol by MAC Cosmetics. This is in the color Fascinating, and I'm going to put this inside of my waterline. Next, I'm going to take my Razor Sharp Liquid Eyeliner. This is by Urban Decay. This is in the color Bump. And I'm just going to extend the waterline all the way out, and this is now going to be pretty much our eyeliner. Alrighty, so I've put a little bit of decor. I decided to put a couple of dots. I did a double wing and extended it on the inner corners of the eyeline. I don't know, I just was feeling it, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put on lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlighter, and we're almost finished. I'm gonna be choosing my lips. I don't know what lips to do. I'll be right back. Alrighty, lashes are on, and I think we are now going to highlight and put on some lipstick. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M501, and I'm going to go in with my lovely new product that I'm just over the moon for and totally shocked by. If you guys want to see my first reaction to this, go look at my last video. It really surprised me, but how can I be surprised by the queen? Nikkie Tutorials, her collaboration with OFRA. This is the highlighter. This is Everglow, and it's beautiful. Alright, and then finally for the lips, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay. This is the liquid lipstick in Crank. And my new product, I have the Kylie Cosmetics Setting Spray, so I'm super happy to use this today. I hope it's amazing. Oh my, smells so good, sprays so good, thank God. Oh, I was hoping it smelled great. It smells bomb. It smells good. Alrighty, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you loved watching this video. This is such a fun look. I think this screams Coachella. And honestly, if you guys wanted to do something a little bit more dramatic, I just wanted to give it to you. Last weekend was a little bit more simple, and this weekend just wanted to go a little bit hard for my mamas out there who like a little bit more drama, a little bit more cake. If you are going to Coachella second weekend, enjoy your weekend. Have an amazing time. If you were there last weekend and you're going to be watching from home this weekend, enjoy that time. And I just want to let you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. No matter what kind of day you're having, always, always, always find your frequency and feel good.
Survive.